Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's one of the most wonderful events here at MC College. We are here for the grand reception and cultural program that is arranged by the Department of English 2017. We are here because the four stars from the Department of English, the four stars who have proved them in the 35th BCS, they are the pride, they are the reason of being proud of. We, the Department of English, are really proud of being the part of it. We are really proud of having those four stars from the Department of English in its history. These are the people, they are four in number, but exactly they are not the four. They are the thousands, because we, the thousand students of this department, think that we are the winners, we are the BCS carriers. Why? We can compare those four stars, or we can compare the Department of English to Bangladesh cricket team. There was a time when Habibul Bashir, Akram Khan, Mohammad Rafiq started playing cricket and started making the world. Bangladesh has come to play cricket seriously. And later on, Saqib Al Hasan, Tamim Iqbal, Mushfiqur Rahim played a new brand of cricket that tells the world, Bangladesh, you can't take Bangladesh lightly. And now, the skill, Mustafizur Rahman, Mehdi Hasan Miraj, and Musaddiq Hasan Shekhar, they have told the world, they are the world class, and they have come to world cricket to win and to ruin. Here, Department of English, there was the time that we got BCS cadets occasionally, we got some people occasionally, they showed us the path, they showed us the path of glory. But now, we find another four stars, they are our Tamim, they are our Mushfiqur, they are our Mashrafi bin Murtuza. So, they started telling us that, guys, come on, and here are a lot of people, a lot of students from each and every year, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, even masters, that they are the future careers, they are the next Taskin, they are the next Mustafizur, they are the next Musaddiq in the history of Department of English. Directly or indirectly, at least we can tell and feel that 200 students of this department, at least 200 students of this department can feel that now we can even try, we can dream of being a BCS cadet. Each and every single person, each and every single students of this department dreams a dream of being a winner, dreams a dream of being a BCS cadet. And these people, our brothers, our sisters have shown that path. We now really can feel that we can go ahead. We now really can feel that we can do something better and of course something bigger. And they are the heroes undoubtedly, but still you can't forget the other heroes are here. The people who have shown us that, who have secured us in this Department of English. You can't forget the contribution of our teachers, the other real heroes, the other genuine knowledge here, all the knowledge here in MC College syllabus. So I'd love to see you are putting your hands together first for our teachers, for our professors, please. Because they are the people who have given us the faith here to go on, to carry on. And many people know or might not know that people or the students of the Department of English are doing great not only in this country but also in other countries. I know many people from the Department of English, they are teaching in other countries. They are being invited by the US Department, by the UK Embassy, by the US Embassy. They are taking scholarships in other countries. Some of the genius guys are taking classes sitting here in Bangladesh. They are taking classes for the native English people. So, and they are the students of the Department of English. So, it's definitely, prestigious moments for us. They have set a dignity, another level of standard for us. And our earnest request to those who have become the business carriers, that do something you've done enough, still you have to long way to go, and still we are the 1,000 students of departments, we are the 5,000, 10,000 might be the students of Department of English in future, maybe 50,000. So set a path, set a standard that we really can follow, we really can follow you, so that we can tell our next generation that we were the students of this department. We can tell our grandchildren, we can tell our grandchild that I was the Department of English, the student of the Department of English. Maybe you are the student of a foreign university, maybe you are the student of a private university or public university, but we were the student of the Department of English, and our grandchildren feel proud of that. Our grandma was the student of the Department of English. Inshallah, you can set that standard. And thank you, dear carers, and thank you all of our honorable teachers, and special thanks from the Department of English goes to our principal sir, the honorable principal sir. He has come us, attended here and supported all through this program. Thank you.